We want you to get the best out of your contact lenses. Cleaning and storing them correctly will ensure that they last the duration. We're here to support you and help guide you through the early stages. Here's our easy guide on how to clean and store your reusable contact lenses. This video has been specifically created for those that use multi-purpose lens solution. For all other solutions, including peroxide, please follow your optician's guidance. Before getting started, make sure you have everything you need to hand. You'll need antibacterial soap, a lint-free towel, a well-lit mirror, your contact lens case, and lens solution. Don't forget to get into the habit of removing the same lens first each time so you don't get confused when putting them back in the case. Using the antibacterial soap, wash your hands. Dry them thoroughly with a lint-free towel before handling your contact lenses. Never allow any water to come into contact with your contact lenses or lens case, as this increases the risk of an eye infection. This includes showering, swimming, and other water-based activities. Once you've removed your lens, place it in the palm of your hand and squeeze 1 or 2 drops of your multi-purpose lens solution onto the lens to thoroughly clean it. Don't use tap water with your lens or case, as it contains tiny bacteria that can cause an eye infection. With your little finger, gently stroke the lens back and forth for 10 to 15 seconds from the center outwards, then turn the lens over and repeat. Now rinse the lens with a small amount of solution. For peroxide solutions, please use as directed. Peroxide solutions must never be used to rinse your contact lenses or lens case. If your multi-purpose solution came with a barrel case, then carefully place the lens in the center over the dome before closing the clasp and placing in the solution. If you have a normal lens case, place the lens in the correct side and add fresh multi-purpose solution to the fill line and close the lid. Place your lens in the case before adding solution, as this will help prevent any damage. Only use solution recommended by your optician and never reuse or top up old solution. Remember to change your case every month. This helps to prevent the buildup of deposits in the case, which could contaminate your lenses and potentially cause an infection. Repeat for the other eye. Now you are all done. We hope you enjoyed the freedom of contact lenses. Time to pop your glasses back on. If you need any more advice or are having any difficulties, please contact your optician, who will be happy to help.